Mastering Python package versioning is crucial for maintaining stable and reliable applications. Semantic versioning helps in understanding the impact of changes. Effective dependency management ensures compatibility and prevents conflicts. Adopting best practices in versioning leads to production-ready applications, minimizing risks and enhancing collaboration among development teams. Package versioning is crucial for reproducibility, ensuring consistent application behavior across environments. Version pinning helps maintain identical results. Compatibility is managed by specifying version ranges, preventing breaking changes from dependencies. This protects your code base. Effective versioning also enhances collaboration, clearly communicating stability, features, and backward compatibility expectations to all stakeholders. Semantic versioning, or SEMVer, is crucial for software package communication. It uses a major.minor.patch format. Major indicates incompatible API changes, minor adds backward compatible features, and patch addresses bug fixes. Pre-release versions, like 1.0.0 alpha, signal instability, guiding users on package maturity and expected changes. Python's PEP 440 version specifiers are essential for managing dependencies. Exact version, EC, ensures precise control, while compatible release, EC, allows flexibility within a major version. Minimum version, X, offers adaptability but risks breaking changes. Exclusion avoids problematic versions. Combining constraints like requests. 2. 8.0, 3.0.0, 2.28.2 provides robust dependency management. Version specifier operators are crucial for managing dependencies. Exact match ensures reproducibility but limits updates. Minimum version, AIX, offers flexibility but risks breaking changes. Compatible release, ACE, balances updates and stability. Exclusion blocks problematic versions. These tools help maintain a stable and secure Python environment. Requirements files, like requirements.ext, are a traditional method for managing Python dependencies. They list packages with version specifiers, such as Django 4.2.0 and Gunicorn 20.1.0. While simple and widely supported, they lack advanced resolution capabilities. For better organization, separate files for development and production dependencies are recommended, ensuring a clean separation of environments. PEP 518 introduced pyproject.toml, a unified configuration file for Python projects. It supports tools like Poetry, PDM, and pip. The project section defines metadata and dependencies, while project.optional dependencies allows specifying dev and test dependencies separately, enhancing project organization and clarity. Lock files capture exact versions of dependencies, ensuring consistent installations across environments. Start by declaring intent with flexible specifiers and requirements. ext or pyproject.toml. The tool resolves dependencies, generating a lock file with precise versions. This guarantees that all environments install identical versions, maintaining reproducibility and stability in your projects. Poetry streamlines Python packaging by integrating package management, version resolution, and publishing. Initialize projects with Poetry init, add dependencies with Poetry add, and manage environments with Poetry install. Its lock file ensures reproducibility, while its resolver efficiently handles complex dependency conflicts, surpassing pip's first found method. PypeNV integrates pip and virtualenv, streamlining Python project management. Install it with pip install pipenv. Initialize projects using pipenv install, which creates a pip file and virtualenv. Add dependencies with pipenv install Django, updating pip file and pipfile.lock. Activate the environment using pipenv shell and execute commands with pipenv run. Version constraints are crucial in dependency management. Exact pinning offers maximum safety but limits flexibility. Minimum versions provide flexibility but increase risk. Compatible releases, like 1.2.3, offer a balance of safety and flexibility. The right choice ensures stability and security without missing critical updates or introducing breaking changes. Transitive dependencies complicate package management. Your direct dependencies, like Django and Celery, have their own dependencies, forming a complex tree. This can lead to version conflicts, making sophisticated resolution essential. For instance, Django requires SQL parse and asgraph, while Celery needs Kombu and Billiard. Understanding this hierarchy is crucial for effective dependency management. Dependency resolution conflicts occur when packages require incompatible versions of the same dependency, like requests. Strategies include backtracking, constraint relaxation, using alternative packages, or vendoring. Tools like Poetry Show, Tree, or pipdeptree help visualize and debug these conflicts, ensuring smoother package management. In development, use flexible constraints like or Sakusai for easy updates and testing. Regenerate lock files often to catch issues early. In production, install from lock files with exact versions to ensure consistency. Use Poetry install for locked versions and Poetry update, dry run for testing updates. In continuous integration, continuous deployment, test both locked and latest versions for future compatibility. Semantic versioning is crucial when publishing your own packages. Begin with version 0.1.0 during initial development, where breaking changes are expected. Achieve 1.0.0 for your first stable release, ensuring backward compatibility. Increment versions wisely. Patch for bug fixes, minor for new features, and major for breaking changes. Always document changes in a changelog.md. Version bumping is crucial for maintaining software integrity. For a bug fix, increment the patch, 1.2.3 to 1.2.4. Adding features requires a minor bump, 1.2.3 to 1.3.0. Breaking changes necessitate a major bump, 1.2.3 to 2.0.0. Tools like Poetry and Bump2 version automate this process, ensuring consistency across files. Pre-release versions like alpha, beta, and release candidates allow for granular testing. Alpha is for early testing, beta is feature complete, and release candidates are for final testing. Build metadata, such as 1.0.0.20230915, is ignored in precedence. Understanding version precedence is key. 1.0.0 alpha, 1.0.0 beta, 1.0.0 RC.1, 1.0.0. Security vulnerabilities and dependencies require vigilant monitoring. Utilize tools like Safety, pip audit, or Dependabot to identify risks. Assess the impact by evaluating severity and usage in your code. Update to patched versions within constraints, relaxing them only if essential. Thoroughly test your application post-update to ensure no regressions occur. Utilize security scanning tools to safeguard your applications. Safety checks against the common vulnerabilities and exposures database, while pip audit is an official Python packaging authority tool. Poetry offers a built-in scanner, and Bandit scans code for security issues. Integrate these tools into your continuous integration, continuous deployment pipeline for early vulnerability detection, leveraging JavaScript object notation outputs for automation and dashboard integration. Deprecation and migration strategies are crucial for smooth transitions. In version N, announce deprecation with warnings, .warn, and document timelines. By version N+1, maintain compatibility while offering new alternatives, allowing users time to adapt. In version N+2, remove deprecated features, ensuring users have had sufficient notice and guidance for migration. Managing versions in monorepos can be tackled with unified or independent versioning. Unified versioning uses a single version for all packages, simplifying compatibility management, as seen in Google and Facebook. Independent versioning allows each package to evolve at its own pace, offering granular change tracking, but requiring advanced tools like Poetry, Monorepo plugin, and Maturin for effective management. Always use lock files for reproducible builds in production. Regularly update dependencies to avoid painful migrations. Test updates in a staging environment using continuous integration, continuous deployment before deploying. Document version pinning and constraints for clarity and future reference. These practices ensure stability and ease of maintenance in production environments. Avoid using pip freeze blindly. It captures all packages, including global ones. Specify upper bounds and dependencies to prevent unexpected updates. Address deprecation warnings proactively to avoid future issues. Test against minimum, maximum, and current versions of dependencies to ensure compatibility and correct version constraints. Explore advanced tools like pip-tools and PDM for efficient dependency management. Use pip-compile to convert high-level requirements into exact versions, maintaining both requirements in and requirements. XT. PDM, a modern package manager, simplifies dependency handling by using PEP 582, storing packages centrally, and linking them per project, eliminating the need for virtual environments. Master semantic versioning by understanding major-minor patch. To communicate changes effectively. Lock files are crucial for reproducibility in production. Balance flexibility and safety, using the compatible release operator. Modern tools like Poetry, PDM, or pip tools enhance dependency resolution. Integrate vulnerability scanning in continuous integration, continuous deployment pipelines, and schedule quarterly updates to manage technical debt.